What's going on, guys? Welcome to Tech World Vlogs on Tesla. As you know already, I love to make videos of accessory for my Tesla Model Y. And one of the accessory that I had my eye on the Amazon store that took forever to be in stock, but finally it's in stock, is this accessory here. And if you own a Tesla, you'll know exactly where this accessory goes. It is basically a skin for the carpet down below on the front seat. It has these Velcro inside that keeps it intact to the carpet, and it protects the carpet from getting dirt or salt or any sort of damages to the carpet, so that way it doesn't take a lot to clean it. And if you're trying to keep your car in perfect mint condition, this will be the perfect accessory to get, because you can easily wipe this off. So let's go ahead and install this here, see what it looks like. I'll give you my review afterwards. If you're interested in this here, check out the description below where to buy it on Amazon. Alright, so before installing this here, you want to make sure that area is nice and clean. So I have my Wise vacuum. I'm going to go ahead and pull any sort of dust. So I see there's dust there, dust off of it before I install this piece. Alright, so I have the driver's seat installed. As you can see, it is really nice that it fits flush on the edges, and then it goes under the carpet, under the mat that you have for your car. So it's nice clean fit, and this is easy because you can just wipe this off, and that way you don't have anything damaging the carpet at the back. And usually this is an area where your shoes might hit the carpet, and it makes it really hard to clean. So nice and easy accessory, love it. And I'm gonna go ahead and install the passenger piece for this here and see what that looks like. All right, so I do have the passenger piece installed. This also is a nice clean fit, goes under the carpet there, covers the seat, and again it protects your shoes who's coming in your car. It gives a little layer of protection so you don't hit and damage the carpet. You don't have to constantly clean that carpet. So that is it for the video. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and if you're interested, check out the description for where to buy this here.